Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's do this again. So today I'm gonna go ahead and play with this palette right here from Karity Beauty. I got this palette from TJ Maxx. It was $6.99, I think. If you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so now we're back. I'm like all over the place today. I don't know. Let's just go in. First, I'm gonna go with this shade because I'm dying to play with this shade. It's called Mango Much. So I'm putting this on a Lunar Beauty E2 brush. I'm just like stamping this. I'm not really blending. I'm just stamping because I want to get, you know, just all the pigmentation that I can. And now I'm just gonna blend it. And now I'm just sweeping this right here. This shade is pretty, and then stamping. You know what? I was gonna clean this brush, but I'm not gonna do that because I am gonna need it again for a different eye. So no. So I'm gonna use this brush right here. This is a T183. And then this is from, it's not a 183, just a T83, and this is from Makeup Shack. I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Cubanito, like Cubanito, and I'm just putting this right here. This looks like a kind of hot Cheeto Moments.
So next time you try to take what I got, remember I'm flaming hot and you're flaming not.
And guys, remember to get the most pigmentation, you want to go ahead and stamp. Stamp, and then you can blend or pack. You know, do like the packing motion, so you can just pack in the shade, and when you're done, you can, you know, just blend it. Now I can blend the edges kind of in here. Just gonna mix it with that mustardy shade. I just feel like these palettes are just so good for the price. Like, they're so good. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you, hey, these qualities are on like Natasha the Nono level, but I feel like they're really good for, like, you know, $8 for 1, 2, 24 for 30 shades for $7, $8. Like, that's crazy. I don't know. I almost feel like I shouldn't have put that red there, but it's all good. We already have it. We're gonna make it work. So I do have a lot of fallout from that red. But guys, fallout does not bother me. I'm just telling you, hey, there's some fallout. That's just for your information. But for me personally, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's all good. I'm gonna take my Vaseline and I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. This is on a T48. It is all good. See, the Vaseline just like take off the shadow, which works amazing. Cutting your crease is like the worst. It literally takes so much effort, you know. I'm kind of taking off most of that red that I put there because I don't like how it looks. I don't like it. Look at all this red. Like my mom would say, this is ridiculous. Like, this took way much longer than I thought it was gonna take. Hopefully I can just, you know, speed up through this for the most part. Now I'm gonna use my showstopper brush, and we're gonna, you know, back to my primer. Just stamp and drag, stamp and drag. So I wet this other brush that I no need, but it's okay. I'll use this one. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. Maybe let's use this shade right here called Honeydew, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner, maybe, or the full lid. We'll see how this shows up. I'm just stamping this. This is not even showing. So this shade is pretty light. I thought it was gonna be darker than this, but it's not. I don't know what I'm doing with this look. No idea. I don't know if I should put that in on the entire lid, maybe. So that shade is not. It's like a shimmer, but it's not like popping like a shimmer. I think I'm gonna put this, and then I'm gonna put a blue shade kind of in the end right here. I'm gonna put this shade called Idol or Tidal Waves. Oh my god, Tidal Waves. There's a lot of fallout in the blue as well. It's a different texture from the yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and we'll be right back. Okay, so back, eyes are done. I don't know. I'm feeling about this look, but you know, life must go on, right? So I'm gonna go in. I've already have my face prime. I'm using my Touching Soul primer. I love this primer. It feels so good, and I'm using my MAC Bric-a-Brac or Bric-a-Brac corrector in my smile line under my eye, and then I have a couple of spots that I spot check. So let's go and jump into foundation. Let's use this foundation. This is my Orsay foundation. I try not to use this foundation too much on my channel because I feel like because they only have 6 shades and this shade is the darker shade. But it's so pretty. It's not the full coverage like foundation, but it is buildable. I feel like you get a medium coverage off the bat, and you can build it. If not to full coverage, to like high medium, but yeah, you can still see a little bit of my scarring. My face is not doing the best though. It's like I don't know what's going on with it. But this foundation finish is so pretty. See, I feel like it's a little bit too dark, but it's okay. Just bring it down. Put a little bit more just on the side of my face where I have, you know, my giant pimples. And then yeah, so I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna put it like right here. That glow though, like I love it. Like a dewy finish. I'm not too much into dewy foundations. I have a couple that I use, but it depends, and I definitely go heavy, like more of a matte primer when I do like a dewy foundation. See, but this is a nice finish. Since it's a little bit darker, I'm bringing it down to my neck, just a little bit, nothing too much. Let me close this for now. Oh, right here, my Jeffree Star C 14.5 concealer. Don't ask me why I'm dancing. You know, we're just gonna move along because I have no idea. No, let's go on. Let's do nutmeg. I feel like this shade is a little bit light, just a little bit. Just leave this like here. I feel like I have a lot. And I'm gonna take my E34 from Morphe and just kind of blend this down. Okay, and now I'm gonna take my C33 733 and blend out my concealer, and that's from Luxie. And I know like a lot of people nowadays want to try to do like the, what you call that, kind of like soft concealer or kind of no makeup kind of makeup thing. Not my journey. I like a full bit. And there's nothing wrong with people that want to do that. Just not my thing. Then just tap this right here. So just to kind of blend the edges of this, it doesn't look so harsh. See, like my forehead, you can kind of see like a separation. If I do this, voila. No. Let me see what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this brush. What is this? This is, nope, not this. Let's use this brush. This is also from Royal and Langnickel. It's a medium shader brush, and I'm gonna use this to this. Then back to my concealer brush, which is my concealer in the center. Whew, that was close. Okay, now let's go ahead. I'm gonna set my face with my Beauty Bakery powder, and this one is in cassava yellow. Ooh, I was hot. I can hear my AC just came on. And I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my micro smooth powder from Sephora using my 734 brush from Luxie. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's prime a little bit. Just a little bit of, oops, wrong shade, from Makeup by Yolondo or Plain Makeup by Yolondo. And I'm gonna use my Karity brush. Okay. Okay, I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna do a purple. Let's try this brush. This is I'm not sure what's that brush number, but it's from Krong, and it kind of looks like, so it's just a short shader brush. And we're gonna go into Cigar Bar, which is that dark purple first. For that purple is gonna be more pigmented. You know what, this brush is not working very well for that. Let's try T14 from Makeup Shack. Much better. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my powder brush that I use, and I'm gonna just dust it off, because just before I blend it, because I don't want any of that purple to just going all over the place, because that would be a mess. That would be a mess. Oh my god, this is dirty.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Conway Twitty.
You know what? It's fine. I'm gonna ignore it, because when I go in with that bronzer, it's gonna get dirty again. So we're just gonna ignore it like it's not there, even if it's like literally in the middle of my forehead. But you know, just look like, you know, like here down. Okay. Let's move on. I'm gonna use this brush right here. This is a number 13 brush from Rephr, and I'm gonna go into Social Club, which was that light purple. And I'm just stamping it just on the edges, kind of, and just to get like a little bit of a, like, not so harsh, like so it's not so harsh. Oh god, I must put that in the like dark purple again. That would have been bad. Love it. Now I'm gonna go into this brush, which is also from Rephr, and this one is a 12. And we're gonna go in to this really light shade right here called Shine On Me. And I'm hoping this is gonna shine on me, maybe. Okay, where are you? Show up, show up, show up. That's like nothing. Like there's literally nothing. Oh my god. Yep, this is fun. So I had to switch the shades. I had to go ahead and use this shade right here called Havana High Life. This palette, the mattes work better than the shimmer. But again, 30 shades for just $8. Good price, good price, good price. Okay, so let's go ahead and bronze. Let's bronze the face. Well, I haven't used this in a minute. I'm gonna use this blush for sure. But let's go ahead and use the bronzer. Let's use Hawaii from Morphe.
One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this in.
This is my blush from Patrick Ta. And this shade is She's Adorable. But let's just clean this. Because, Jesus Christ, this. And I'm putting this on a Japonesque brush. Let's highlight, let's highlight, let's highlight. Let's use my OG right here. You know, Champagne Pop from Becca. Whew. This is like, you know, the OG of like highlighter. And I'm gonna go in with my powder real quick. Usually I don't do this, but my nose look kind of like a bit much. So, you know, we're just gonna go ahead and fix it up so we can clean it up nicely. Now let me just put on a lipstick real quick. This is 102 from Armani. This nose. Because I definitely like to see how my nose looks. It looks too like contoured. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and set the face with my Professional from Benefit. Nothing crazy because I'm not really going anywhere. I'm actually gonna have dinner and watch a movie with my family. It's Sunday night, and that's what we usually do on Sunday nights. Just trying to do something with this. Just cover this up pretty much. That's what I'm just trying to do. That's so fun. Just like, yeah, so we're not gonna do that. Just gonna leave it, you know, be kind of like this. Is that okay? So that's it, guys, for this video. I actually really had fun, you know, playing with this palette. As I've said in my few other videos, and I've used their products. I actually like her shadows. I mean, and they're so inexpensive. So if you can, you know, get your hands on them, I would go ahead and do that. And don't forget to join the family, like, subscribe, comment, you know how we do over here. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Ooh.